Funny current or pacemaker current is predominantly a feature of the sinoatrial node. Funny current has been designated as IF. Diastolic or phase 4 depolarization is the hallmark of pacemaker cells of the heart. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. IF pacemaker current was discovered by DiFrancesco in 1979. It is a mixed sodium-potassium current which is inward and gets activated on hyperpolarization at voltages of -40 to -45 millivolts. Funny current initially opposes the repolarization and then stops it. After that, the funny current is responsible for the spontaneous diastolic depolarization, which ultimately leads to the automaticity of the sinus node. Since the funny current controls the rate of the sinus node activity, it determines the heart rate. IF increases on perfusion with adrenaline and thereby the slope of diastolic depolarization and the heart rate. Same effect is noted with beta adrenergic stimulation, the effect of which is cyclic AMP mediated. In addition to the diastolic voltage, the funny current activation is also dependent on cyclic AMP and hence can be modulated by the autonomic nervous system. Parasympathetic stimulation, which has the opposite effect of beta adrenergic stimulation, can inhibit the funny current. This would explain the sinus bradycardia associated with vagotonia. Hyperpolarization activated cyclic nucleotide channel mediates the funny current. 4 types of HCN channels, HCN 1 to 4, are known at present. HCN4 mutations have been implicated in sinus node dysfunction. A word about funny current inhibitors. Though the pacemaker current has been described over 40 years back, it has come into attention recently due to the availability of selective IF current blockers like ivabradine, a pure sinus node inhibitor without any other hemodynamic effect. Satibradine and silobradine are 2 analogues. A similar IH current has been described in different types of neurons. Funny current and biological pacemaker. IF current has been targeted in the development of a biological pacemaker. In experimental studies, an adenoviral reconstruct including HCN2 was injected under fluoroscopic control into canine left bundle branch. During vagal stimulation, this ventricular biological pacemaker provided escape rhythm which was faster than in those without it. Here are the initial set of references. Remaining set of references. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.